This is the iTouchless Soft Step 2.0. 13.2 gallon stainless steel trash can. As a thank you for your purchase. For a free sample of a trash can deodorizer filter and a pack of premium trash bags. Then it has the instructions for the trash can. Alright, let's take it out of the box. Just pull the box off of it. It's got styrofoam on both sides. Let's take the styrofoam off. Alright, trash can is out of styrofoam. I bought it on Amazon for $63.31. Let's take the film off of there. Alright, there's the back of the trash can. Let's turn it around. There's the front of the trash can. Let's step on and try it out. Alright, that pops up. Open this up. Lean it back to make it stay open. Some styrofoam inside there. Remove that. Got their phone number there. Right here's the odor filter. It has an insert, you can take that out. Has more cardboard in there. Here's a look at the insert. Here's a look at the inside of the trash can. Alright, let's put the trash bag in the insert. So we have our trash bag and our insert, and we're going to put it in the trash can. Okay, it does have handles on the side, so you can get that trash bag in there, so it's not hanging out here. There's a look at the trash can with the trash bag in it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.